Tune in to Sports 360 with Ahmed Hamad.
With another episode of Sports 360, I'm your host, Ahmed Hamad. Viewers, Pakistan won the T20 Tri-Cricket Series, beating host New Zealand by 5 wickets in the final at Hagley Oval in New Zealand. Earlier, winning the toss, Pakistan opted to field first and have made just one change, bringing in Haris Rauf in place of Mohammad Hasnain. New Zealand's start was brisk with an intent to score big. All the batsmen were playing shots, regardless of losing wickets. They were 12 for 1 in the first over as Finn Allen lost his wicket to Naseem Shah, caught by Nawaz for 12. David Conway was the second to go, played on to Haris Rauf for 14. New Zealand were 47 for 2 in 5.2 overs. Then a 50 runs partnership for the third wicket between Glenn Phillips and Kane Williamson brought their total to 97 in the 12th over when Phillips was caught in the deep by Shan Masood for 29 of 22 balls. New Zealand made 51 for 2 in the first power play and were 83 for 2 halfway mark at their innings. Their 100 came in 12.2 overs while their 150 in 17.5 overs. New Zealand were 130 for 3 in 15 overs, with captain Kane Williamson batting on 56 along with Chapman with 18 of 11 balls. The platform was set to finish on high note, but as New Zealand captain has said in post-match interview that the death bowling of Pakistan has been simply outstanding. Pakistan bowlers Haris Rauf, who was playing his 50th T20 international, is third in the list of most wickets for Pakistan in 50 T20 matches with 64 wickets, took 2 for 22 in his quota of 4 overs, giving away just 4 runs in the final over and taking a wicket as well. While Naseem Shah bowling back of hand into the pitch bounces and New Zealand batsman couldn't play, he conceded 2 for 38. Mohammad Wasim with his Yorkers gave no room to the batsman bowling in the block hole, gave none for 37 in his 4 over, while Shadab Khan and Mohammad Nawaz conceded 30 and 33 runs respectively, taking 1 wicket each in their quota of 4 overs. New Zealand could only score 33 in the last 5 overs, losing 4 wickets in the process. Pakistan bowling was again disciplined, bowling just 1 wide. Kane Williamson scored his 15 T20 50 of 33 balls, hitting 4 fours and 2 sixes and a strike rate of 166.7. But Williamson was caught a deep long on for 59 by Shan Masood off the bowling of Shadab when their team total was 134 for 4 in the 16th over. Chapman followed Williamson for 25 of 19 balls off the bowling of Naseem Shah, caught by Babar Azam. New Zealand were 158 for 5 in the 19th over. Pakistan bowler had total control over the Kiwis batsmen, taking wickets on regular interval and choking the runs. New Zealand lost the 6th wicket of Jimmy Neesham at the same total, scoring 17 of 10 balls, while Ish Sodhi also lost his wicket in the final over, scoring just 2 runs. New Zealand finished at 163 for the loss of 7 wickets in their stipulated 20 overs, at least 20 runs short from the projected score. New Zealand batsmen hit 13 fours and 5 sixes. Pakistan bowlers bowled 41 dot balls and all the bowlers conceded less than 10 runs per over. While the spearhead fast bowler, expert of death over bowling, Haris Rauf, conceded just under 6 runs per over. He was bowling fast. Even one of his delivery at 143 kph broke the bat of Phillips. Haris Rauf, last 2 overs, cost just 7 runs. In reply, chasing a target of 164, Pakistan's start was steady, as per their strategy to keep wickets in hand and take the game deep. Pakistan lost a wicket of their captain Babar Azam in the 5th over for 15 of 14 balls at 29 for 1. Babar, trying to sweep Bracewell, got the top edge and was brilliantly held by his opposite number, Williamson. Pakistan were 33 for 1 in 6 overs and were 64 for 1 in 10 overs. Lost a wicket of Shan Masood immediately after the game resumes, caught at point by Alan Finn of Bracewell for 19 of 21 balls, hitting 2 fours. Pakistan was 64 for 2 in 10.1 over. Then Nawaz was again sent in as pinch hitter, impact player, as he did in the last game against Bangladesh and in Asia Cup against India, to give some momentum to the chase by playing freely and sensibly. But Rizwan also followed Shan Masood and was legged before to Sodhi for 34 of 29 balls, hitting just 4 fours and again not an impressive strike rate of 170. Pakistan was 74 for 3 in 11.3 overs, needing 90 runs from the remaining 8.3 overs at over 10 runs per over. Haider Ali, who could only score 60 from his previous 8 innings, entered with make or break or do or die situation as far as his career is concerned. Playing with open mind, not double-minded, attacking from the word go, smashing 33 of 8 balls with Nawaz, scoring 25 of the 15th over bowled by Ish Sodhi, hitting him to all parts of the ground with 3 6 and 4s. Nawaz and Haider put on 56 of 26 balls for the 4th wicket to seal victory, but Haider departs at 31 of of 15 balls, hitting 3 fours and 2 sixes with a strike rate of 206.66. Pakistan were 130 for 4 in 16 overs, needing 33 from the last 4. Nawaz, along with Iftikhar, achieved the target in 19.3 overs with 5 wickets and 3 balls to a spare. Nawaz remained unbeaten with 38 of 22 balls, hitting 2 fours and 3 sixes and a strike rate of 172.72. Iftikhar also scored tricky 25 of 14 balls but finishes the match in style, hitting 6 at square leg boundary. Pakistan batsmen hit 15 fours and 6 sixes. For New Zealand, Ish Sodhi, who conceded 25 runs in the 15th over of the inning, was the most expensive bowler, giving away 58 runs of his 4 over at over 14.5 runs per over. While Michael Bracewell was the pick of New Zealand bowler, giving away just 14 of his 4 overs, capturing 2 wickets also. Tim Southee playing his 100 and Trent bowled his 50th T20 international were economical, giving away 33 and 28 runs from their 4 overs each. Bracewell, who captured 8 wickets in the series at 10.5 runs per over with the best bowling of 2 for 11 and with economy rate of 4.94, was declared player of the series. While Mohammad Nawaz of Pakistan, who took 1 for 33 of his 4 overs and also played a match-winning unbeaten knock of 38 from 22 balls, hitting 2 fours and 3 sixes with a strike rate of 172.7, was adjudged as man of the match. David Conway of New Zealand scored the most number of runs in the series with 233 runs from 5 innings, followed by Mohammad Rizwan of Pakistan with 201 runs from 5 innings, while Pakistan captain Babar Azam is at third place with 192 runs from 5 innings. Michael Bracewell and Tim Southee of New Zealand with 8 wickets each were the leading wicket taker, while Mohammad Wasim of Pakistan is third in the list with 7 wickets from 5 games. Pakistan middle order finally performed to some extent. Nawaz 38 of 22 balls, Haider 31 of 15 and Iftikhar 25 of 14 balls, scored 94 of 51 balls, played with intent which was lacking throughout the series with exception of Nawaz, who really emerged as part-time solution, but we still need a long-term answer with proper middle order batsmen who can cash in the brilliant solid start provided by Babar and Rizwan consistently to emerge as a strong batting lineup who can take on any world-class team. Mohammad Nawaz scored 107 runs in this tri-series with an average of 53.50 and a strike rate of 159.70, while also taking 6 wickets with an economy rate of 8.78 runs per over. Pakistan's Shaheen Shah Afridi, Mohammad Rizwan and Shadab Khan have been included in the 20 T20 greatest players list by Wisden Monthly. And on this note, we come to the end of our show. Till the next program, it's goodbye from Sports 360.
Keep on watching Sports 360 with Ahmed Hamad for latest news, views, and interviews of sports personalities from around the world.